やれやれ、今日は何からしましょうかね、エリンちゃん。You're busy? Okay, maybe I should think by myself. Mag-isip daw ako. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. What are these? Oh my God, Erin, what is this? What is happening here? Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like if you have a toddler. Sometimes we just blink and then your makeup goes like this and your house goes like this. Yeah, welcome to mother's life. Thinking kung saan ako mag-uumpisa, kung lilikutin ko ba to, magtutupi ba ako, maghuhugas ba ako ng plato, maglalaba ba ako, I don't know. So, there's a lot of things to do today. Maswerte tayo. Ang dami nating ginagawa. Diba? Kasi wala tayong ginagawa.